Ladies and gentlemen, the idea to collect and to concentrate solar irradiation with a curved glass mirror is actually very old. The first plant was built in 1910 in Egypt, can you imagine? So the big question is, why is this old technology not good enough to meet the huge global demand for mid-temperature process heat for industry? And the answer is, it's too complex and too costly. And why is that? The answer to that question is, I'm convinced that there is a lack of innovation. And I'm talking about real innovation, not about optimization or adaptation, real innovation. So what we did with our company, we walked the talk, and we really innovated the STP collector technology with a single purpose: to drive down CAPEX and OPEX and to make the technology suitable, economically viable, to provide this huge untapped market of mid-temperature industrial heat. And how did we do it? Actually, we reinvented and rethought the whole value chain, from the basic design down the road to the recyclability. And how did we do it? Well, we don't come up with a curved glass mirror. We come up with a giant tube. And it's not made of glass. It's made of industry-proven, desert-proven commodities, of films we buy on the global market. And we designed that and assembled that in a roll-to-roll production to a giant tube. This tube can be packed, rolled up on a coil in a standard 40-feet container and shipped to any place in the world without breaking, without special logistics. It will be installed on-site in a smooth process by inflating the collector with air, and due to the massive design and the size, with very low inside pressure of just a few millibar. And finally, at the end, or in the operation, maintenance offers massive advantages as well. It can be rotated by 360 degrees, it can be cleaned, repaired, so it's all designed for cost reduction. Well, you cannot imagine how many experts we found at the very beginning who explained in great detail why it could never work. Actually, it works, because here's the biggest collector in the world in southern Spain. We installed it, it's operational, it provides mid-temperature heat to an off-taker, to an industrial off-taker. That was the pilot system, so the technology was proven. Next step was market entry. Is there market traction? Is there demand? Yes, there is. We sold our first project to an oil field operator in Oman. It is currently built. It is a commercial project. It is a spectacular application, unique in the world. And it will be commissioned in Q4 of this year. Next question of investors: is there a rollout? Is there a strategy to roll out? Are there other industries, or is this a very special project? The answer is, we managed another project in a different country, with a different industry, for a different customer, and for a different application. AB InBev, better known maybe as Anheuser-Busch, one of the biggest beverage companies in the world. And I can talk about it because it has been published as well. We're going to help decarbonizing one of the most modern breweries in the world in Namibia. And there are a number of other industries, all top-tier industries, who urgently need industrial heat in the mid-temperature range. I named a few on the right side, and our pipeline is currently bursting. So this is the rollout. And, well, a few words about the company. We are the owner of the IP portfolio, more than 70 patents, most of them already granted. We have full freedom to operate. We are privately owned. We have raised 35 million so far, and we currently produce the collectors in Vienna, and we're looking for growth capital in the next round for another production for technical sales and services. Well, we're looking for a partner with international visibility, with international credibility, because we could walk through our pipeline alone, stand alone in 10 years. But with the right partner, and I'm not talking about just capital, I'm talking about international credibility, we could probably do it in 3 years and be a market leader in that untapped market. And yeah, I'm hoping that we can have a chat or a drink or both at the party. Thank you very much for your attention.